guys, welcome back to another video. Today Bryson found this snowboard and we're gonna go down the grass. Well, let me show you. We're gonna go down this grass right here. We're gonna go down it. And Bryson, go. Oh. All right, my turn. I'm Christopher Paris. Wait, delete that. My name's Christopher, and I'm gay. Let's go. I did it.
Retard.
All right, we're gonna go on that hill right there, and let's see what happens, man. This is the funniest video idea we've had in a while, ever since retard racing. So, yeah. No, not down the stairs. Anyway, let's see what happens. Notice that this isn't really steep, so Bryson's gonna try it, but the thing is that he's gonna hit his head on the fence, maybe. All right, Bryson, what do you have to say?
No.
All right.
All right, here we go.
Oh, he's turning. My name's Christopher, and I'll see you on the other side. Turn! No! I did it!
Retard.
This is steep, okay?
Wait, so I go on my knees?
Nah.
Well, you mean you go on my knees on that hill?
All right, Bryson, you ready? All right, let's go. You did not go on your knees! Oh, he's turning. Oh, and he's gone. Bryson, let's go. He's going. Holy shit. Oh, you okay? Oh, he keeps rolling. Oh, he's a soccer player. All right, so Bryson found a hill. As you can see, it's pretty steep. But Bryson, ready? Let's go. Oh, concrete. Oh, Bryson, how do you feel?
Good.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
Let's go. My name is Christopher, and I don't know. Christopher Perry, and I'm gay. Ah! Ah! Oh! Yo, that was fun.
Yeah, it was good.
All right. Whoa! He's dead.